In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Substack account statistics. So if you wish to access statistics such as the amount of viewers you have garnered or even the payment that you have earned, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to find the engagement and statistics about your account on Substack, it's pretty simple. Go ahead and log into your account using your smartphone on your app, and here go ahead and tap on your profile icon and scroll down to settings. From settings, head to creator stats, and various parameters of your account will be available to you. You'll be able to access information such as paid subscribers that you have, your gross income here, that is your revenue, and then the number of subscribers you have, and then the views you have gained in the last 30 days, the number of paid subscribers that you have, as well as the number of free subscribers that you have on your account. So that's how you can access all your statistics for your account on Substack using your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.